Hello guys, now I'll show you how to open HTML file in Chrome. So I'll show you. So this is the HTML file. So if you want to open in Chrome, then how you can open? If you click, then open the Chrome. So by default, it is the your open your default browser like Chrome, Firefox, according to your operating system. I mean your computer. So if your browser by default browser in Firefox, then if you click double click, then it will be open on Firefox. But if you want to open in Chrome, then you can just click on mouse right, then open in Google Chrome. Then it will open on Chrome. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.